We are back. What? For part 2?
Yep.
Part 2. We're in the middle of the mountain now. We're in Tennessee now. So the first one, Rock City, was in Georgia. We had crossed the line. Wasn't even like 2 minutes away to cross the line. The place was about 8 minutes away from Rock City. We're at what? Ruby Falls.
Ruby Falls.
So we at Ruby Falls right now. It was the same, almost about the same as Rock City. So it was $1 more. $23 for adults, and I think 12 or 13 for kids, something like that. So we're all here. Infants are free, of course, and we're about to go sign in. And this one right here is interesting. The reason why I like this is because they had the lights and everything inside of the caves. So they have caves, hello, with waterfalls, and you know, I guess we walk all the way all inside, and we get to see a waterfall inside of the cave. So we're about to enter here. We're gonna enter here. Oh, it feels so good. So look, yeah, it's $22.95, $23 and $13. That's what I said. For adult and for kids 3 to 12. And now I'm gonna pull up my.
All right, we're gonna get situated, get our tickets, and we'll hit y'all back.
That's like 26 floors. It's gonna take 30 seconds to get down.
That's money, dude.
And here we go.
We're going down 260
Y'all see
feet.
them rock?
26.
That is the mountain. So you're now going down.
That's
through the
actual
mountain,
rocks.
guys.
Wow.
For your safety as you enter the.
All right, your guide is already down in the cavern. Should be here when the doors open.
Thank you.
Do enjoy, and I'll see you guys maybe on the way out.
All right, so now we're 260 feet under. 260. We're inside of the mountain. There's our guide right here. Where's Alani at? Slippery area.
Oh, yeah. Feels good down here.
Okay, that's fine. Wait.
Stevenson, when Leo Leonard first entered Ruby Falls Cave.
We got a guide, man. We gotta follow the guide.
It feels so good down here. It feels great. Right?
Yeah, it does.
Like, it's
What is
crazy
the
how
smell,
we're
though?
inside of a mountain, though.
Yeah.
It
the smell? Like, it's
smells like mountain.
All right, everybody, welcome to Ruby Falls. My name's Nicole. I'm going to be your tour guide today.
Awesome.
First thing we like to do is ask everybody where they're from. I'm actually from Tampa, Florida. Where are you from?
Mississippi.
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 Boston.
Boston. We got Boston in the building. Boston. Birmingham. Well, we're from Boston, but I live in Birmingham. My mom's down from Boston. Everybody here lives in Birmingham. Birmingham, Alabama. Continuing along. It feels good down here, though. At least it's not as much of a heat as it was. Hey, what's up? What's your name?
My name's Gavin.
Gavin? Okay, Gavin. It's cold.
Stand up there.
Yeah, you can.
It's not even a little bit colder.
No?
Oh, we
Yeah,
still
this
going?
is still like
Yeah, it's still warm here.
What?
70s.
Yeah.
So you live in Birmingham, you ain't never been to Cathedral Caverns?
No. In Birmingham?
It's just north of Gunnersville.
Gunnersville?
Yes.
No, but I seen they
It's
had,
awesome.
yeah,
You
cathedral.
got high ceilings
Yeah.
and stalactites and stalagmites everywhere. It's just
Wow.
freaking fun.
So it's Cathedral Caverns.
Cathedral Caverns.
Yeah, we're gonna look it up.
Yeah, it's just north of Lake Gunnersville.
It's a lot more caverns than I thought we had in the South. Bro.
Yep.
Don't touch these things. She said not to touch it.
I touched it.
Bill's Passage.
Touch free cake.
Wow, look up. Donkey. Feel the air? Feel the wind?
Yeah, it's gonna get colder.
Come on, honey.
Flash on.
Yep.
About to slick in the neighborhood.
It's water. Look at the water.
Water even. The water's even across.
Watch your head.
Does your mom have a buka?
Yeah.
Why don't you care for that showed you go with her?
Show her. Show her.
It's dripping all on me.
Oh, it's not for you. Share. Why the heck am I doing?
Go, hurry up. Go, go, go. Come on, mama.
Beautiful hall of dreams. Come on, honey.
We gotta pass in groups. Stay to the left. Yeah.
All right, my group. So we are now in the beautiful Hall of Dreams. Once this group passes, it's a good time to look up at all the beautiful stalactites hanging down. We are going to pause and listen to another quick audio.
Nature is a patient.
Whoa. This is all natural. Go ahead, mama. Go, 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 go. Dragon's foot.
Dragon's foot.
Go, 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 go. Go feet, go little feet.
That's your feet.
Go little feet.
That's definitely your feet.
Go little feet.
Hey, what's up, group?
They're walking so fast.
Is that up, honey?
Yeah.
Group is moving.
So who's getting you got the B-roll, right? You taking pictures, Michelle, or video? Huh? You taking pictures or video?
Pictures for Instagram. For Instagram.
Oh, see how it moves? Yeah, stay still.
Looking up to the crevices along the path reveals hidden waters. Just when you think you've seen everything, something new catches your eye. Overhead formations like cave bacon with its coloring water outside always brings a smile to my face. Nature paints a beautiful and sometimes peculiar picture of itself.
potato chip. It looked like a potato chip too.
Take Christ and all the patterns, hidden wonders. Just when you think you've seen
Right here.
something new
Potato
catches
chip.
your eye. Overhead formations like cave breaking with its cover and water outside. Holes, there's a song.
Go, mama.
What's the degrees down here?
60, I think. So, this is me.
Is there any seats?
No. You sit down, you get fined 500. Tyler's bookers. Tobacco leaves. Yeah, that looks nasty. Wow, look at that.
Oh, yeah. And it's all wet and slimy.
There goes the seat, Ma.
Lean up on the road. Next time we stop.
She said there's gonna be a lot of stoppings because the groups are
Yeah.
What is that? It looks like the cow milk on there. Slobbery.
Niagara Falls.
Oh, this is
Ma, here it goes. A bench. 2 seconds. Come on, 2 seconds. While the group catches up. Watch your head, Ma.
120 feet below ground. So how do we do that? The mountain actually rose above us. So that's nice. Yeah, we didn't have to walk down. Now we don't have to walk back up. But we are 1,120 feet below the surface. So how is there a waterfall 1,000 feet underground? Honestly, we don't really know. We kind of know. What we do know is that it rains. And with the water cycle, we have the watershed. So above us on the peak, we have rivers, or streams, and rain. The stream runoff and the rain seeps down into the limestone, which seeps into a cavern above Ruby Falls. So they explored a little bit above and found a series of cascading waterfalls. Those little waterfalls become that huge 90-foot plunge we call Ruby Falls. After that, the water falls down into a 5 to 6 foot deep pool, goes through the rest of the cavern, and eventually ends up into the Tennessee River. Since that, that was my fun fact. So since all that comes from rain, the flow of the waterfall is dependent on the amount of rain. If we were to experience a drought, we would not have much of a waterfall. I've heard it looks kind of like a hose that doesn't turn completely off. Now, if we had a lot of rain, we could have too much of a waterfall, to the point where it's blasting on the sides. And when we go in the waterfall room, you can see that this whole room was carved by water, or by that waterfall. Now, when that happens, it typically floods, and we don't do tours. I don't like my feet getting wet. I don't want to be down here.
Get the cameras ready. What? Tell me. Hey. Ready? 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 Ooh. Ooh. No, they can see the lights though, I think.
All the way down. We're gonna turn
All the
them
way.
on. Don't worry.
All right. You need flash. You're gonna turn the lights on.